我们一家住在安静的英国小镇，周末这天全家一起出门徒步。晚饭老公做了墨西哥腊肉酱，这是悠闲的陪伴家人的一天。
Just making you some ginseng tea.
Thank you. 我们也到了喝西洋参的年龄了。现在我们穿上徒步鞋，准备去附近的小山坡走走，去大自然充电。一开始 Jessica 不是很乐意出门，她就想窝在家里看书，啥也不想干。虽然和我们一起出门了，但是小嘴嘟着表示不满。不过很快，大自然的魔力就开始显现，她的脚步越来越轻快，嘴角也上扬了。
Stretch your eyes a bit more as we get higher. Some kind of vegetable.
Let's have a look. What vegetable is this? Wow, 这是人家种的耶。这种眺望远方的感觉真的是太棒了，感觉眼部肌肉都得到了拉伸放松。Cute 累了吗？累了，今天这么快就累了。Morning.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Morning.
Thank you.
Oh, hello. Are they puppies or not? Yeah, they're not.
He's 9, this one's 12, that one's 7.
Hello. Oh.
Yeah, she's a watcher.
Oh, hello.
No, Clancy's 11. Yeah, 9, 11. 9, 11, yeah, and 7. Yeah.
Oh, we thought they were puppies.
Mine. That one's me oldest daughters, and this one's me youngest daughters. Yeah. And I've took them out for them.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah,
Keep you fit.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
We like walking.
Yeah.
See you do an awful lot,
Yes.
doesn't it?
Keep you healthy.
Gonna take ours out for all.
Yes, these are our puppies.
It's good for them, though.
Yes.
It's lovely. Get a bit of fresh air.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's
Don't
really
you been
nice.
Out? Yeah.
Yeah, we love it.
Guess you're gonna have to teach me some tennis tricks. Then we can play together.
Did you enjoy the walk?
Yes, I did.
Good.
I stretched.
Probably close to 3 miles or so
Nice.
by the time we get home.
Good exercise for the kids.
Yeah. 回家后，孩子们都饿了，要求吃1周1次的炸鱼薯条。他们爷仨吃得挺开心，但是我更喜欢吃热腾腾的面条。我喜欢加上多多的蔬菜，还有蛋白质。
Something that I can do right now and isn't too dangerous. That's the rule.
Okay, what are you making?
Chili con carne.
Are you sure William's gonna like that?
No? There's only one way to find out.
Yeah.
And then maybe look on the business. Mummy, this is suspension.
Oh.
No, it's my handbag.
There's 2 secret ingredients.
Yeah.
Can't see them.
Looking good.
You got this, me and Mummy. Oh!
What did he do?
And so, look, it's nice, and then he's just licking your
客气。
谢谢大家，谢谢大家。
You're welcome。
尝一尝，很久没吃这个
有点辣。
啊，
对，有点辣。
味道很好。
真的吗？Can you figure out the 2 secret ingredients?
When I make it, I put dark chocolate in it.
Yes.
And the other secret ingredient, I'm guessing
Pepper.
milk,
Salt.
um,
Cream.
yogurt.
Milk. Butter. Daddy. I know it.
What is it?
Daddy.
Oh,
There is Danny's love as well. Yes. That's the 3rd secret ingredient.
I don't know. What is it?
Marmite.
Oh, interesting.
I like all 3 of them. Dark chocolate, Marmite, and Daddy.
Good. Right, enjoy it then.
这对小朋友来说有点太辣，但是对我们来说刚刚好。哦，好好吃啊！我今天要吃好几碗饭了。
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
好吃吗？
这还太辣。
就是有一点点太辣是吗？
I need more rice to dilute it.
那你现在去拿一点。
Simple and tasty.
Yes.
Some veggie in there. You know, carrot, mushroom, pepper, tomato.
Nice. You're so much better at time management. Like you said about eating at 7, right? It is 7. 有这么辣吗？下次带他做一个一点辣都没有的，好不好？
The different version is bolognese.
And more.
哦，很喜欢是吗？
Bolognese.
And lymphocytes are the white blood cells that attack infections. These amazing cells go after viruses and bacteria and seek to eliminate. These cells are like your own personal knights with permanent armor. Wow, white blood cells are so cool.